ladies, welcome back. I can't believe it's already semifinals week. Today I'll be making lavender honey pot de crème. Pot de crème is a baked custard like creme brulee, just without the brulee. We were asked to make 6 of these along with a baked decorative item. Now I chose lavender honey because it's such a unique flavor and I didn't think any of the other contestants would do it. For my decorative item, I'll be making delicious lemon biscuits. So let's get started.
In this saucepan, I'm combining some heavy cream and creme fraiche together. I'm going to give it a quick mix and then it's time to scald it on the stove. Off the heat, I'm just adding some dried lavender and giving it a quick stir. I'm setting this aside for 5 minutes to steep. Now I'm just combining some egg yolks and honey together. I don't like anything too sickly sweet, so all the sweetness will come just from the honey itself and there won't be any additional sugar. I'm slowly adding the warm cream to the egg yolk and honey mixture, just a little at a time so it doesn't scramble. I like to use a pancake batter dispenser to fill the ramekins so I don't make a mess. I'm pouring the custard mixture through a strainer to collect the lavender and placing the ramekins into a large pan because I'll be baking these in a bain-marie, which is also known as a water bath. The water surrounding the ramekins will transfer the heat to the custard gently and it'll prevent the custard from curdling. I'm going to carefully transfer this to the oven and pour some hot water into the pan. Moving on to the decorative item, I have in here some flour, salt, butter, powdered sugar, lemon zest, and lemon juice. I'm just combining it together with my hands because it's such a small amount, there's really no need to use a machine. As usual, this needs to go in the fridge to chill. And it's nicely chilled, so now I'm just going to quickly roll it out and use this lemon-shaped cookie cutter to cut out 12 lemon biscuits. Then I'm going to pop it on a tray and put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes before I bake it. My pot de crème is out of the oven, so now I'm just going to place it on a tea towel to let it cool for a moment. It has the perfect amount of wobble, which is exactly what I want. Now these are going to go in the fridge to chill while I decorate the lemon biscuits. I'm just making a really simple, really quick lemon icing. This is just powdered sugar and some lemon juice. Instead of spooning the icing over the biscuit, I found it to be a lot quicker and more tidy to just dip it in. This icing dries incredibly fast, so before it dries, I'm going to quickly top it off with some lavender. The pot de crème is chilled and completely set. As you can see, there's no wobble in sight. I'm just topping these off with some lavender as well, just to indicate that this is a lavender flavored pot de crème. Now to the fun part. I'm just going to assemble these biscuits on top, along with some blueberries. The blueberries are so refreshing and it goes really well with the lemon and lavender. For the finishing touch, a dusting of powdered sugar.
This is such a special custard. It has just the right amount of lavender in it, and then you get that sweetness from the honey, then the lemon and blueberries sort of uplift that warmth into this light and refreshing dessert. Next week I'll be making an extravagant gingerbread sculpture, so I hope you join me back for that. Thanks for watching!